I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag 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 it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I made love to a stripper. First I had to tip her, fuck it up. Don't need me. I tell all my hoes, fuck it up, 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 break it up, break it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. You will. Don't need me. I tell all my hoes, fuck it up, 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 break it up, break it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Cut the check, bust it down, turn your goofy down, pound. I'ma do splits on it, yeah, splits on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw fits on it. I'ma bust it open, I'ma go stupid and be a ditz on it. I never trust a big butt and a smile.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag 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 it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, fuck it up. Don't need me. I tell all my hoes, fuck it up. Fuck it up. You a little bitty bitch, yeah.
Right? So I get in the shower. I start taking a shower. And what do I notice? Globs and globs of men's facial hair is splattered all across the inside of the shower curtain. The kind that when you have shaving cream and you're shaving, once you take a stroke with a razor, you got to shake off the razor blade, flick it off, whatever. Those hair, those little stubbles and all that. That's just all over the inside of the shower curtain. It's like some fucking swarthy, fucking bearded knucklehead that's been in there and just freshened all the way up with his disgusting self. It turns my stomach because I know that that's not part of the game. Oh, it's such a violation on every single level. So I just cataloged that though. I'm saying, okay, yep, Becky's cheating again. Becky's cheating again. What's new? Oh my gosh! I mean, I should have recognized I was dealing with a prostitute. So I get out of the shower. I get dressed. I don't even say anything. I just get dressed and I leave the hotel to go for a walk. Right? We leave to walk down the street. I'm gone like maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes maximum. I called her on the phone. She says that she's going to go for a walk too. I said, okay, cool. After about like 30 minutes, I decided to go back to the hotel room because there's nothing to do. And when I get there, Becky is in the hotel room and has herself in the room with another dude. My hotel room was like $100 flat, plus $50 deposit, so $150. I'm completely broke, chat. If anybody can help.
Why is EKC talking shit about me? And JJ's people are in the chat. I'm gonna strike the shit out of this bitch. Let's go Rankin, Bombshell, and Katie Joy. We gonna watch this lady. She got 115 people in the chat. I'm probably not the one you want to come for, girl. I absolutely am gonna strike her. I'm absolutely gonna strike her.
The majority of it has been asking for things. Which, whatever, it's fine. I'm not judging it. I'm just noticing it. Where that's not the case for Reagan. It seems like the majority of her side of the conversation has been giving.
Hold up.
So.
See where I ask her for anything. See, that's why I can't stand somebody. You're a liar.
This is a message for the Roadhogs.
I'm going to try to live the fuck out of you.
Let me make something very, very clear to you, Mr. and Mrs. Hogg. I am not Nat, nor have I ever been Nat.
So, for those who don't know who that is, that's Reagan.
Oh, no, bitch. Girl, I will eat your ass up. I will eat your
So,
fucking
yeah, she's not that. So, hopefully that new room can just fuck right off now. Just an FYI, and I'm not 100%, but I may be a reason Amber's triggered about St. Jude. This is the first time I posted anything on my YouTube channel, or YouTube, and that she would take as an insult. It's on my community tab. I stand by what I said, though.
Why are you skipping through things? Where am I responding?
Then it says, she has a ton of charges, but this one stands out. I redacted the address for you.
Where am I asking for all of this info?
Bam says, where are the other ones? Reagan says, she has various charges throughout North Carolina, for sure. And I'm not pulling up the screenshots, though, because that's not the point of this.
What's the point then?
For sure in Horry County, but she was also listed as a fugitive when she was arrested for unlawful neglect of a child. I hardly scratched the surface on her, to be honest. Fugitive from where is my question. By the way, I haven't talked to you about it because I thought you were pissed off at me for some reason, and I didn't want to add any additional stress.
I'm going to strike you, ma'am. I'm going to strike you. It's strikeable, and I'm going to strike the living shit out of you. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about, and I'm going jazzed up.
Parkin is finally free from Patterson crime family. 100% false spot. 100% false spot. 100%. And why didn't I say anything until now? Mike said something on Jenny Jen Jen's interview that the police came in my room. And you want to say I called the police? Dr. Ash, you just make up shit.
That's true.
You just make up shit.
That's true.
Really, Bombshell,
Right?
you sound really
Yeah.
sick and
All you do
fucking
is make up
disgusting right
That's
now.
true.
You do.
Because you're like, oh, the call came from the hospital
Giggly.
internally, and they found out it was Michelle, and she was kicked out of the hospital. Bull fucking shit.
Bombshell, your bitch ass called in the fucking threat to the hospital for Michelle,
Muskogee
bitch.
County, yes.
You did it. You did it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be picking your head into this fuck shit today. You wouldn't have shit to say about it. I'm finna put it on my community post.
I never made a phone call to the fucking, hospital. You're full of shit. I was on a mental hold, and I was not allowed to be left alone, period. Period.
This pisses me off. Because why would Bombshell sit up here and take up for Michelle and everything that Michelle is saying when Michelle is the one who told her that her daddy fucked her? And this bitch, really?
So I could take a shower in privacy. They didn't watch me shower.
Better walk out, better not cry, you better not die, I'm telling you why. Let it fall storming down, let it fall storming down, let it fall storming down.
I am getting so high, I wanna take my clothes off.
Hey, Flavor. Hey, are you jealous, bitch? Are you jealous, you fucking lying? Oh, they're taped. Are you jealous, you fucking lying back over here with Jesus, baby? Spending my day, don't freak out for doing one side. Goodbye. My ass. Flavor, are you jealous? Are you jealous, you fucking nasty piece of shit? Oh shit, did you see my hands? I'm sorry. Okay. Come on, Flavor, came up. Don't be a nasty fucking boy. You and Amber were totally in on it. Right? You did, bitch. You did, bitch. Oh fuck. Wait. Look. Kiss my ass. You like that. Come up, bitch. Come on, bitch. I wanna get my tub. You know. Whatever, come on. Come on, bitch. Come on, Pucker. I'm gonna drop my camera a little bit. Oh, there you go, put it up. There might be a Pucker to watch. Shit, I know the bubbles from that. You nasty fucking bitch. Ready? Come up, linebacker. Ready? Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Because I never made. Come on, Flavor. Come up, show me your sexy body. Wait. What the fuck are you doing? I'm on my top. It's also gonna kiss my ass. I'm just busting. I know, I'm so good. My son's dealing drugs. It was a complete setup with Amber and Flavor. Let's put some memes.
This is pissing me off. This pisses me off. But just know that I will get down to the bottom of this because my name has been mentioned. When you mention Flavor's name and accuse Flavor of some fuck shit, I will dig down so far deep into your shit. I will find out. I will find out the fucking truth. Don't worry, y'all. I will find out the fucking truth. Y'all already know it.